Hello viewers, welcome to Corporani. SwiftUI online glossary admin app inside. Today we need to see this here the order glossary, new orders, cancel orders and complex order UI with view models need to bind here. First of all, now need to develop here the tabs view need to develop, need to create here the new groups and to give this here the name order and inside need to create here the new files and to select here the SwiftUI files and to give this here the name order view and to creating here the tab view top tab you need to develop here and then after need to another things need to needs here the another four tabs three tabs needs create here the new files and to give this here the name as a new order view orders view and then after need to create here the another new files and to give this here the name complete order view orders view and last one is creates new files and we need to give this here the name cancel declines order view orders view like this creates here and we need to needs here the order tab creates that's going to create another file and we need to give this here the name as a order tab button like this creates here. Now first of all now need to copy here the this tab buttons here to copy and we need to paste here like this here. Now need to remove here the icon no needs and also remove here and we need to use this here the wish tag and we need to cut here and put this here like here and to fix this here the element and now need to develop here the indicators. Now need to draw here the indicators of the UI. Now need to create here the rectangles, set here the fill and now need to check here the is select, then need to give this here the color dots need to set here as a primary app color, then after need to set here color dot set here the clear colors. Now need to set here the frame height, set here the 2 and also need to set here the frame width as a max width, need to set here the infinity like it configures and again need to copy and to set this here the height 45 46 is good. Now need to set done and to remove this here the UI and we need to write down here the tab events like this. We need to write down here and to fix this here the error issue and now we need to go inside the order view models and we need to need this here the change here order item models like this configures and also need to change here as a details needs like this configures. Now need to set and now need to main configurations are the need inside change this here the tab offer tab to order tab orders and also need to change here the UI order view like this setting here and now need to go inside the codes and to write down here the order view codes. First of all need this here the state object and to set here the where VOVM is equal to need to write down here the order view model dot share like this write down here and then after need to set here the z stack. You need to configures. Now first of all need to copy this here the main tab view codes and then after need to replace here now copy and need to paste this here this body like here's now here only three tabs then to another tabs you need to remove and also need to set here the obs like this and copy these variable names and to declares inside the view model. So now need to set here the another publisher variables and publishers where to set by default here the set here 0 tabs need to configures. Now need to set here configuration done. Now also need to change this here the button name order tab buttons like this configures. Remove here the icon no needs, and also need to change this here this like this. Also change here, also change here, change here. Another tabs need to remove no needs. Now need to clean here and make sure you need to set here the top leading insert plus we need to given this here the head like this configures. Remove here the bottom padding no needs. Now set like this, and also need to change this here the tab names as a new complete completed orders, and last tab is cancel like this configuration to set here like this configurations are the needs. Also change this here the button and remove this here the icons. Clean here, also make sure unused variables need to clean here like this setting here. And now need to developings are the done here the tab UI, and also make sure need to set here the tops. Now remove this space, and now need to cut here, and also need to set here the spacing 0, and also change here spacing set C, and now configure this here this value and set this here the orders like this configurations are the needs and to tab UI are. And now need to develop here the change this year's new order view and complete order view. Select order view, and then after cancel like this configures, and this is the order view. UI are the done and develop here the top tab bar like this configures and to settings. Now we need to go inside the new tab view and to configure this here the UI need to needs. First of all, now need to needs here the state object to write down here the state object array where OVM is equal to need to write down here the orders view models dot share, and also need to set here the scroll view need to needs. Now need to go inside the already developed inside the user apps into write down here. Now need to find out here the user app codes and to get here the my order UI. Now need to copy this list, and we need to paste here like this scroll view codes are the needs here, and now need to close this here, need to paste here like this, and also need this here the status copy here this alt status inside the user app. Already explained how to write down these here. If you not see this video, please first of all the see this video, and after need to write down here the codes. And now this place to need to write down here the new because this is the order gettings. That's why need to new orders need to status ones as a write like this. You need to write down here, and also need to change here the web image. Now need to import here HD web image shift UI need to import here. Also need to change this here the variable names as set here the new orders array, and also need to set here remove here the link not set yet. Now next video inside need to explain here the order detail screen to develop. Now need to only configure this here the new orders cancel order list and complete order list need to showing here with these tabs like this. Settings are the needs and configures, and now this is the developing are the done. Now need to set here and to find out these errors main tab view missing here the body. Now fix this automatic select Now we need to set here the orders. Same as now need to copy this here the data. Copy. Complete inside put this here. Also need to change here the cancels and need to declare it like this here. And we need to import here. HD web image SwiftUI need to import in both controllers. Otherwise need to get this here the error. Need to putting here. Apply here now. Inside change this here the array. Need to complete orders array. Then after the cancel order array like this configures and to connect with this here. Now need to run here and make sure need to write down here the on of periods and to call this here the API OVM dot API. We need to call this here the cancel order list. Same as now need to copy and to put this here the complete and change this here the API completes orders list and last ones is the change here to need here as configures here API new order list. Like these configurations are the needs for this here the UI and to show this here. Now need to run these apps and to test. Now build successfully. You need to get now need to change here the tab names as a orders. Now need to select here and maybe here the issue with this UI need to remove here the tops and bottoms no needs. Again need to restart these apps, rebuild and to build successfully. Select here the tab view and to like this UI are the showing here. Now also check here the completes inside same issue. Need to fix this here. Cleans and cancel orders. Again you need to rebuild and select like this showing here complete order cancel orders like this showing here the data. If you like this video, please give the thumbs up. If you're new user, so please subscribe my channels and press the notification bell icon. You can get every new video notifications and awesome content. If you have any questions, so please write down the comment sections. I will help you and sort out your issue. Everyone have a nice day. Goodbye and take care.